Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone saved your number. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. So guys, there are several ways to know if someone has saved your number on the WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to check their profile picture. If you can see their profile picture, it means that they have your number saved on their WhatsApp account. And save their number on your contacts and check their display picture, and also save the number to somebody else force contact and check their profile from their WhatsApp. You can also check their status. If you can see their status, and you can open your WhatsApp account and go to the status section, and if you find targeted person status here, then you can say that your number is saved by the recipient. Also guys, you can add them to a broadcast group. Create a WhatsApp group and add the person to that group, and if the person is able to see your name and number in the group, it's likely that they have saved your number, and send a messages to the broadcast list and check if they get two ticks. If they do, it means they saved your number. And if you stuck on the tick for a long time, even though they are online, and then they don't save your number. So guys, it is important to note that these methods are not foolproof, and there are no guarantee that they will work in all situations. Also keep in mind that there is no direct way to know for sure if someone has saved your number on the WhatsApp. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.